I'm having my first breakfast in the mountains. Atlantic Rainforest, where I'm staying. She just made a wonderful, amazing, fresh fruit. This is their limes here in Brazil. They're actually orange. Like, what? I'm so excited to eat. And then these are fresh pancakes. And she's making me a fresh jam to go in it. And the mint and the watermelon. I love mint. Like, this is in the view. Do y'all see that? I love my life. This is my room. Cute little bungalow tree house. Beautiful views. Like, this is literally beautiful. I have a personal swing. And honestly, I'm just so blessed to be here. I'm so grateful and blessed to be here. Like, my life is so magical. I'm about to head out. I'm wearing all white today. Let's put on my hiking shoes and go see some trails. I'm so excited. Yeah, I love it here. I don't want to leave already. But I'm excited, so just to start the day. My beautiful views from my room. Wow, look at that. That's a beautiful shot. Nice little picture there. Alright, to this guys. And we are heading off on our first adventure. Got my hiking fit on. Not traditional hiking fit, but you know, you're making everything look cute. And I have a nice sombrero. Yeah. Wow. Fresh lime. Native Brazilian lime.
Yes.
Wow.
Limão galego.
So beautiful.
And if you cut,
Wow. Looks like an orange, really.
yeah, but it's a lime.
Nice. It's a meditation area this way, hiking this
Hiking
way.
this way, plenty of waterfalls. And we're gonna keep going here. I'm just gonna let you see a quick area that you think there is nothing there, and then there is. That's the surprises that the forest has for us. Oh, I left my knife there. On our way back, it's relevant.
Okay.
We have to get it because we're gonna go into the forest. But for instance, if I had my knife, I'll definitely put it
Oh,
up,
this
right?
is such a big leaf.
That's a banana leaf.
Wow.
Yeah, there's a banana. It's already ripe, and the birds are eating. We want that.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Yeah, we want that. So this is guiding you through the meditation. See?
Oh, this is so perfect.
Now, what happened? There was a bridge over there. The water took it. So we are in the process of getting things so that it
Ginger.
everything you see is ginger.
Wow.
Everything you see is ginger.
Oh my goodness. So I just eat it?
Yeah, the petals. Yeah. Yeah. But when we make a salad with limes and olive oil that you're gonna get when you go shopping for
It's refreshing.
and the gooey. The overhead gooey.
Yeah.
Iron, protein, everything is there exactly like this without the seed. So it's Atlantic Rainforest okra version.
Wow, it's so different.
Very different. So there you sit on that water bath, and you come right in here. And then you see. We go here. Oriented
Like they have a really big class system.
classes.
Yep.
And you don't belong to the class house, you don't belong to the race that is dominant.
Yeah.
You ain't getting no jobs, honey.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
And I'm talking. Oh, you got it down, you know what? That's it.
Miss
Welcome to
Connie.
Maple Reserve. Gotta come and see it, baby.
Yes, so beautiful here, so beautiful. That's a gigantic river. All the way to the bottom. This is so beautiful. Water is an instrument. Orchestra.
Go for it, baby girl. Go for it. Go right in there. Let it beat the hell out of you. That.
Wow.
Yes, yes, yes,
Wow,
yes.
so nice.
It is nice. It is nice. Let me stop here.
Gigantic bamboo. This is the size of trees. Trees were this big. Hi, butterfly. This is just, I'm having the time of my life. I'm zooming in. Yeah. This is beautiful. Another waterfall.
Man, my life is magic.
Ants are different. These are spider ants, and he's carrying this big leaf on his back. And he's carrying this one. I just love everything. Shadow tree. This is the village. Shopping in the nearest village. at all the fruit. Look at the passion fruit. This is crazy. The passion fruit are huge here. I love passion fruit. It's my favorite. Oh, look at the avocados. They're huge. Wow. I'm gonna get this one. It's probably perfect. Oh, the strawberries. I haven't had strawberries in so long. Wow. I'm very happy. All my veggies and fruits from the natural organic farms out here. Look at this passion fruit. I'm stunning over it. It's so much bigger. And this is a guava. Some pumpkin. I can't wait to boil that. This is a papaya. Papaya is not that small back home. It's crazy. Some lettuce, which is also small. Avocados, the real avocado. Potatoes. And then I also got some dried limes, chickpeas, quinoa, bay leaf, granola from the natural store. Everything's natural. I'm so excited to eat real food, not GMO. Okay, guys, in the kitchen, whipping. Open outside kitchen. I got some yummy potato and avocado cooking, some peppers and onions. Y'all, this is the biggest avocado I've ever seen in my life. Y'all see that? This is bigger than my hand. Or you know what? It is hand. It's honestly, yeah, it's bigger than my hand. That's actually insane. I have some pumpkin, some fresh rice. And I did not measure that, so get at me. Okay, bitch. The Caribbean in me really be showing. I got some boiled pumpkin. I'm excited to eat. The food is all from organic farms out here. So, I don't know how zoomed out this is, but... Oh yeah, you get like a full scope. That's cool. Been a wonderful first day in the mountains. Such a beautiful day. The lady I'm staying with, you guys, this is the most pure, she's like a light being. Like, she's such an angel. She's the purest soul, truly. And I'm just so grateful. And she's 60, and she was taking me on trails. You know what I'm saying? Like, showing me around, introducing me to things, and she looks amazing. And that is just from being in this environment. We are in such a high frequency of life up here. I feel it so deeply. Like, being this close to nature, you just become one, truly. And like when I eat, the food is so natural and like organic, and from even just stuff from the forest. Because it's so natural and so fresh, y'all, I feel the energy of food. I literally feel it. Like, I feel it sometimes back home, but it don't matter what it is. She had me pancakes for breakfast, some cheese. I still felt the energy of food, right? But I still got back to my vegetarian today because it's my preference of eating. I have been eating chicken while I've been here, but like I said, I really prefer eating Damn it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So ready to eat. Okay. Talk to you guys later. I will show you my food when it's done. Chef Mayor signing out. Alright guys, this is my meal. So yummy. I have some boiled pumpkin. These are the oranges here. The limes also look like this too. And then I have some potatoes and avocado and some rice. This is a yummy veggie meal. Yum, yum. All right, y'all, real quick before I go to sleep. They had these like double chocolate wafer things at the store today at the village. And they were sold, like the most sold out of all the flavors. And this girl grabbed them right when I was looking at them. And when I tell you, and then the other person that's staying here doing the same program as me has the same ones, and he's Brazilian. Girl, this is the best I've ever had. The chocolate, like, the level of chocolate that I'm tasting right now is next level. I ain't never tasted it so real. Why do I live in the US? I'm telling y'all, once I graduate, I'm over it. I'm out of it. It's not for me. Shit ain't real.